sea salt. Cold water.
Rinse it with tap water?
Hot water.
Oh, I thought it was on cold.
Avocado oil. 2 to 3 tablespoons chopped up green onions. Mushroom. Onion. White wine. Quarter cup of butter. Parsley. And in it. And you're all done.
Fantastico!